Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Tweezerman kit. I just wanted to show it off real quick. There's a photo. I bought the kit and then the big like cuticle tool. So it comes in a cute little plastic box. It's got some really nice clippers and a little metal nail file. And then this is the cuticle tool. I've got the big one and the little one, like travel size and regular for your desk. And then it's got these little nippers for, getting that excess hard skin off the side, or little hangnails. And you just kind of go in with them like this. And they work extremely well. Now, I bought these. I didn't get sent these for review. These were something I purchased because I was interested. And I'm going to use the cuticle tool. It just really pushes back that cuticle really nice. And I'm sold. I just really, really like these. So I should have taken a before picture of what my nails, what the cuticle areas looked like and everything. But you can see I'm definitely moving some cuticle back. And I really needed this time doing some cuticle work because I had been very neglectful for about 2 months. So the skin and cuticle stuff was really growing out on me. I am going to use some of my cuticle remover. I get this. It's the Blue Cross that I get at Sally's. I bought a huge jug of it like a gazillion years ago, and I'm still using it. There's just still a ton of it left. But I'm just going around up by the cuticle area with that. And I'll try to link the video down below, or at least the channel that I saw a lady using this. And I do believe it was Salon Life. Now this is the other end of that cuticle tool. It's got like a flat bar across it. It's not sharp. And I'm just going in and kind of scraping up the cuticle residuals. You can see a lot's coming off around there. I have to be real careful on my thumb though because it's wonky. But I'm going down the sidewalls and then up back by the cuticle area and just giving it a good little wipe down or scrubby and around that cuticle area to lift any of that yuckiness. I call it yucky. It's really not yucky. It's just where the skin like attaches to the nail and grows out as the nail's growing out. But I'm just going around and kind of scraping that off of the nail. That way it makes the nail bed cleaner, and the products that I put on it later will stick better because it doesn't have something between it and the nail. And you can see this is not causing any damage. It's very, very friendly to the nails, very easy on the nails. I've had such a struggle with my nail health recently, and that's why my nails are so short. I can't remember what I did, if I'd worn like nail tips with glue tabs, or if I'd glued something on, or gel polish, or what. I have no idea. I can't remember what I did, but my nails were in pretty rough shape, so I've just cut them back short and just try to keep them filed back so that they can grow out and be healthy. I know I had a couple of nails that were doing a really bad peeling and everything, so I'm just trying to keep them short so they can grow out, so I can get past that peeling stage. And after I go around the nail a little bit, I wipe it off on my paper towel real quick. Let me get my camera dialed back out again. I had it dialed way in. Give you a little different vantage point. Some people hold their hands like this when they do theirs, so you can see that it does work either way. But I'm also trying a couple of other products for the splitting problems that I've been having, and I'll do another video on that as well, because I know I'm not the only one that's having this problem. But I do really like this kit, and here's those little nippers. You can see that hard skin's coming up. I just pinch it and get that little, I don't know, I guess it's just because you use your hands so much, and they do develop kind of like a callus or hardness. And here I've got a little bit of a hangnail that I'm trying to get. There we go. A little skin underneath my nail. Just kind of clean that up too. And there we have it. These are working out really well for me. So I'll leave a link for these down below. That is it for my little demo. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.